So here's some really bad news. Whichever camp you're in, your website or lack of one may be quietly costing you sales and losing customers every single minute. This video is for one of two people. You've got a website that looks decent, but it's just not converting visitors into customers. Or you know you need a website, but you're stuck. You don't know where to start. Maybe you've even half built something, but lost momentum along the way. At Afridesign, we built, launched, and supported thousands of websites over the years, which means we've learned a thing or two. And in this video, I'll walk you through 3 major homepage killers, how to fix them, and how to stop the bleed. Problem 1, your homepage is chaos, or worse, just meh. Getting someone to land on your homepage is no easy feat and is often expensive. So first off, kudos to you if you've managed to get a potential customer to your website. But then, what greets them? Maybe a cluttered layout, some random buttons, an oversized logo, or a giant generic stock image with a vague slogan like, "We do it right." What exactly do you do right? Your potential customers left thinking,
meh, who cares?
You've worked hard to get your visitor, now you need to make it count. You've got just a few seconds to capture their attention and guide them toward becoming a customer. If your homepage lacks a clear message and focused direction, you're killing engagement and losing business in the process. Think of your homepage as a fly trap. You want to make it sticky. How do you fix it? Focus on your hero section, the first thing visitors see when they land on your page. Here's what it needs. 1. A clear value proposition. What problem do you solve, and why are you better than the alternative? Here's an example from our own site. Launch your professional website in 48 hours. This tells them exactly what they're going to get and how soon. Let's look at a strong hook. Grab attention with bold, confident, benefit-driven language. Here's our example. Get a professional website without hassle. Skip the DIY stress and unreliable designers. Why does this work? It addresses some pain points, positions us as the better solution, and leads with value. Number 3, subheadings. Use 1 or 2 short sentences to explain how your services work. You take care of business, we take care of your website. This is punchy, reassuring, and again focuses on a pain point, time. There is only 24 hours in a day, and we show how a customer can maximize it. Number 4, call to action. Tell them exactly what to do next. Make it obvious. Instead of a generic learn more, say get started today. Meticulously crafting your hero section for these 4 elements can dramatically improve your conversion rate. Each one plays a crucial role in guiding your visitor through the first few seconds of their journey and nudging them to take action. And here's the thing, it's really simple, but how many sites actually do it? Does yours? Because if you're not intentional with your hero section, your site becomes just another forgettable tab in someone's browser. Let's address problem 2. Your mobile site is a mess. You've built your website on a big screen and yeah, it looks amazing. But here's the problem. You forgot about the small screens. The ones used by 50 to 75% of your visitors? Oops, that's gonna hurt. Most people are checking out your site for the first time on their phones, and they want answers fast. And this is what they're most likely looking for. What you do, can I trust you, how can I contact you? If they're zooming in, pinching around, scrolling sideways, or worse, waiting for giant images to load, they're gone. And that's why it's absolutely crucial that your website is responsive. In other words, mobile friendly. Here's a quick-fire mobile checklist. Check font sizes, navigation menus, load speed, button sizes, and content spacing. And one more key element, testing. Don't just test it on your own phone. Get your friends to check, get your team to check, heck, get your mom to check. You know she'll definitely tell you the truth. If your mobile experience sucks, your desktop design doesn't matter because no one's sticking around to see it. Let's address problem number 3. Your website is too slow. We live in an instant everything world, and when it comes to website, speed is a non-negotiable. A slow website won't just frustrate your visitors, it will annihilate your leads. Even worse, it'll crush your SEO. Search engines don't send traffic to slow websites. Why? because their job is to give people the best possible results. If your site takes more than a couple of seconds to load, Google flags it as a bad user experience. And if it's bad for their business, it's bad for yours. Less visibility equals less traffic, which equals fewer leads. It's simple as that. And remember, it's not just search engines. Customers hate slow sites. If it lags, they leave. The good news is that it's all fixable. Here's a few quick speed wins. Number one, compress your images. Reduce heavy animations, tighten your content, skip the bloated endless pages of nonsense. Lord knows I've been guilty of that in the past. And here's the one most people overlook. Your hosting. Don't go with a cheap, overcrowded hosting provider. Downtime, speed issues, overloaded servers, they can destroy your SEO and frustrate users. When it comes to hosting, make sure of the following. Use a reputable hosting provider. Keep your website software up to date. Apply regular security patches and ensure your server is well maintained. Fast websites convert better, they rank higher, and they keep visitors around longer. How do we fix all of this? Yes, you can do this all yourself. But ask yourself, is that really the best use of your time? You're busy running a business. You're dealing with customers, managing staff, and balancing the books. Do you really want to spend your time tweaking fonts, refining layouts, and fighting with security patches? Maybe you are the DIY type. Then that's cool. If that's the case, you should have enough info from this video to make a real improvement to your website. But if DIY is not your thing and you've got the budget for a web design service that most likely will cost you less than your monthly coffee habit, then I've got some good news for you. At Afridesign, we build and maintain high converting mobile friendly websites that work straight out of the box. Go live in as little as 48 hours, no upfront payment, no contracts, no stress, no DIY, and yes, you get to speak to a real person. We do all the heavy lifting so you can stay focused on running your business. If your website is clunky, confusing, not converting, or worse yet, you don't even have a website, then it's time to fix all of that. Stop wasting time and money. Let Afridesign get your website up and running in as little as 48 hours. Click on the link in the description below to get started. And if this helped you or even just gave you something to think about, why not hit the like or subscribe button and stick around for more practical, no fluff website advice. Take care, and we hope to see you soon. Your website is too slow.